What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's Kierra. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys one of the many ways that I go about to achieve my big fro. Okay, so this is going to be super easy, super quick. I achieved this fro in a matter of minutes, so you're going to be out of the door in no time. So if you're interested, keep watching. Okay, I'm gonna start off with 2-strand twists and start to unravel. I do understand that some people actually might flat twist or braid or cornrow, or maybe doing other methods like the banding method or African threading, but this is the most easiest and quickest way in order for me to achieve my big fro. Okay, so right here I'm going to section off my hair and work from there. So this is a pro tip, guys. If you want your fro from limp to pimp, okay, section off your hair. Section off your hair. This will achieve the most volume, and it makes sure that you don't miss a section or miss an area. So right here, what I like to do is to pick out from my roots to the ends, and I recommend you guys to do the same if you guys want that voluminous, beautiful, elongated, break your neck, turn heads type of fro. Like literally, like I was walking down the street one day, you know what I'm saying, and this guy, he turned his head so quickly that his neck broke because he was looking at my fro. So if you guys want to do that, I recommend you do this. So just to repeat the steps, you're going to unravel, you're going to separate, make sure you separate and do all that in sections, and you're going to pick out. And doing all that will pretty much ensure that you get that luscious, huge fro that you want, and no areas will be missed. So right here, I'm going to fluff and shape, and you could add some water or some oil to just help you with the shaping, but it's not really necessary. You can still do that with your fro. You can shape it however you please. I don't know what shape I'm trying to achieve here. It looks like some type of mushroom type shape, maybe a tree, I don't know, but hey, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful tree. It's a beautiful mushroom. We're gonna rock this mushroom. We're gonna rock it. Looks nice. So right here, I'm just going to make sure no sections are missed by checking the back, do some last minute unraveling and fluffing and shaping and, moving around and stuff. But this is about it, guys. This is what I do when I want a quick, fast, easy looking fro. I just twist at night and unravel, fluff, puff, whatever in the day. But other than that, this is it. This is my go-to style. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please, comment, let me know what you guys want to see. If you guys want to see another hair tutorial, some makeup, just let me know. I got you. I'm your girl. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all the love and all the support you guys give me, and let me know what you guys like to do with y'all's fro. Do you guys do the same thing? Okay, all right, thanks, until next time, bye.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could